Riwruog jood bura kadho wadh Nam Chumbi koro ramo ni duond buch ODM nyaka to nywand pachgi winjruok moro amora ma gichano timo gi duond buche mamoko kitimo ikruok ne yiero mabiro higa mar 2027. Kotelnegi kod jaod bura Likoni Mishi Mboko, jood bura go mane loso Mombasa oramo ni jatend migawo mar mwandu manie lo miluongo ni Hassan Joho nyaka kit ng'ala manyime e twak makamago kaluwore gi maino magingo mosebedo godo bendo e duond burano.
Ikiwa kutakuwa na wale ambao tunaoita Kiingereza technocrats na kuna wale ambao watakuwa ni wanasiasa wabunge, na hata kama kutakuwa na vitengo vingine, tunasema lazima viongozi wa pwani ama wa pwani wawakilishwe vilivyo.
Apart from the discussion of His Excellency the President, any other positions, then the coastal leadership, coastal people should be recognized and awarded what deserves to them, because we are stakeholders and we are seriously going to be stakeholders going forward. The times when tulikuwa tunangojea maembe is long gone.
Within ODM, the parties that are going to negotiate for and on behalf of ODM, Ali Hassan Joho must be in that table. And that is not negotiable. The coast has contributed heavily for ODM to be where it is.
To negotiate mambo ya 2027, tunataka agenda ya pwani iwakilishe vilivyo. Kwa sababu tunajua most of these big parties wamekuwa na tendency ya kuneglect mambo ya pwani, especially katika meza ya mazungumzo.